Hi, my name is Tommy, and I want to talk about my experience using PITS Global Data Recovery. So I lost all of my files. My hard drive was completely dead, and on it I had over 10 years worth of work and personal files, photos, videos, PDFs, Word documents, all sorts of things, Excels, you name it. And I didn't know what to do, and I reached out to PITS, and they said that they could recover all of my data. I wasn't sure if they could, but I had a very positive experience with Samuel, and they delivered, and they were able to recover 100% of my data, and within a time frame that was actually faster than what we talked about. So highly recommend.